Hello everyone, welcome back to SS class. We are doing chapter number 4. Today in this video we will discuss about commercial farming and its type. Commercial farming, as earlier we have done, there are three types of commercial farming: mixed farming, commercial grain farming and plantation. First of all, we need to understand what is commercial farming. Commercial farming means crops are grown and animals are reared for sale in the market. So that means for the selling purpose, for gaining the more output, for gaining the more money. On the large area, these crops are grown and animals are reared. So what is the feature of this? Size of farm is big, investment is high, work is done by machines and hired laborers, and output is high. So for the commercial farming, these are the main features. Large land is required for the cultivation. Investment is high, that means the more money is required for purchasing the machines as well as the other products for the cultivation. And after that they will get the output high. So that means they will get the more profit through this type of farming. Commercial grain farming. As its name shown, grain, so that means food grains like wheat and maize are grown on a large scale. So that means on the large land only wheat, maize, these type of crops are grown. Why that is grown? Crops are grown for commercial purpose, for selling purpose, that are grown. Temperate grassland of North America, Europe, Asia. Temperate grassland of North America, as you have heard the name of the prairies in North America, that produce the wheat for the commercial purpose. So that means these areas grow the particular crop according to the climatic conditions. Fine. Severe winter restrict the growing season and only a single crop can be grown. So when we are talk about these areas, we can see there is mostly decrease type of temperature is there. So according to the climatic condition for the particular crop, they can grow only one single crop because severe winter restrict the growing seasons. For large production, farm machines and best quality seeds, fertilizers, manures and pesticide irrigation facilities use. So for the large production, when they want to get, so these type of all facilities they have to use. Okay, suppose it is farm machines, best quality HYV seeds for increasing the production, fertilizers, manures, pesticide, irrigation. So these are fully they have to used. Mixed farming. Mixed farming means the land is used for growing food and fodder crops and rearing livestock. That means on the one land, on the same land, both the activities, growing the food and fodder crops as well as rearing livestock, that both the activities is done on the same land. Fine. So what happened accordingly? That means the farmers can get the more money, they can earn more money. And one more thing, waste from the farm is fed to animals and animal waste is used as manure. So both type of activities can be done on the same farm. Fine. So these are practiced in Europe and North America and New Zealand. So these mixed farming mainly done in these countries. Plantation. Plantation means in this type of farming, a single bush or tree crop is grown on a very large scale. So that means particular one bush or tree crop can be grown on the large area. We can also see for the plantation there is requirement of more labor. Fine. So what is required for the plantation now? Requires huge capital because they have to purchase the large land, and then for maintaining all these crop there is requirement of labor. The produce may be processed on the farm itself or in nearby factory. So that means whatever is produced on the same land, that can be processed in the farm itself or in nearby factories. Use of skilled labor, there is requirement of skilled labor, so then they can also maintain the all these things in the farm. Intensive use of machines and scientific method of farming, there is intensive use of machines. That means the most of the sometime there is machines are also used for the particular plantation and scientific method of farming. Tea, coffee, sugarcane, rubber, banana, these are grown. These are the different crops which can be grown on the particular area. And tea, coffee, sugarcane, rubber, banana, these are grown as the plantation. Most plantation are located in the tropical zone of the world. Fine. So, rubber in Malaysia, coffee in Brazil, tea in India, and Sri Lanka. So, these are the example of plantation. Fine. Major crops. First of all, what is crop? Crop means a plant cultivated on a large scale is called a crop. Why these crops are grown? There is main two purpose for growing the crops. First is meet the need of the population. That means for fulfill the requirement of the population there is requirement of crops, and secondly there is supply raw material to agro based industries. Type of crop, there is two types of crops are there: food crops and cash crops. Food crops means these crops for the basic food of the people, and collectively wheat, rice, maize, millets, these are known as cereals. Cash crop means refers to all those crops which are used as raw material in the industries, and these are of two types, that fiber crops and beverage crops. Fiber crops like cotton and jute, and beverage crops like tea and coffee. Rest part we will do in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.